3 ways to accept yourself and live a happier, more authentic life. Who are you, really? If you're like most people, the face you present to the world might not reflect who you are inside. We have personas we adopt for work, for strangers, and even loved ones. Imagine what life would be like if you could be more authentic. If you could be comfortable enough in your own skin to be precisely who you are all the time. The key to a happier and more authentic life lies in how we see ourselves. When you're able to accept who you really are, you find you're ready to share that person with the world, and the world will be more accepting of you in return. You start with these 3 simple guidelines. Discover the real you. When you accept yourself for who you truly are, magic happens. You'll discover real happiness and joy in your life. Pretending to be something you aren't is exhausting. If you're having trouble figuring out who you are deep down, make a list of your qualities, and then ask yourself if they are rooted in your life values. If not, you may discover that trait is one you masqueraded because society expected it of you. Quit looking for validation outside yourself. When you stop seeking after things or other people to make you happy, what you're left with is yourself. Recognize true happiness comes from within. Accept the good within you as your real self. Share this person with the world, and you'll ring with an authenticity that will draw others to you. You'll suddenly find you no longer need a materialistic lifestyle to prove who you are. You'll stop seeking validation from others that you are enough. This new, authentic you will draw new people and opportunities to you that will enrich your life in ways that they couldn't have before. Fix your relationship with you. Having trouble because you're finding aspects of yourself you don't like? You're never going to be happy until you accept you, where you are right now. With the acceptance of yourself, warts and all, you'll discover self-love. To do this might take some work on past issues and practicing forgiveness. Be patient with yourself as you work through the process. It'll come. When it does, you'll be living a happier and more authentic life. Isn't it time the world saw you for who you really are? Embrace the real you and discover the life you're meant to live.